Hey everyone, let me ask you something. How many hours do you spend on your phone every day? For me, it was too many. My phone was my world. It was the first thing I touched in the morning, and the last thing I saw at night. I thought it was normal. Everyone is on their phone, right? But one day, something happened that changed my life forever. Welcome to Vivid Kids English. Today, I want to share a story that changed my life. If you spend too much time on your phone, if you always scroll, text, and play games, this story is for you. Because I learned something the hard way. At first, my phone was just for fun. A few minutes of scrolling, a few games, a few messages. But then, minutes became hours. I stopped helping at home. I stopped listening when my family talked. I even stopped noticing the people around me. I was always too busy. I thought, so what? I can always talk to them later, right? One day, I was in my room, lying on my bed, watching videos on my phone. I heard a soft knock on my door. It was my grandmother. She smiled at me and said, "Can we talk?" I didn't even look up. I just said, "Later, Grandma." She stood there for a moment. Then she sighed and walked away. I didn't think about it. I just kept scrolling. The next morning, my mom woke me up. Her face was pale. Her voice was shaking. She said, "Grandma is gone." I didn't understand. She explained, Grandma had passed away in her sleep. I felt my heart stop. I ran to her room. She was lying there, peaceful, but she was gone. And then I saw it on her table, a small box, a gift for me. She had wanted to give it to me yesterday when she knocked on my door, when she asked, "Can we talk?" But I said later. Now later would never come. I picked up the box with shaking hands. I opened it. Inside, there was a wristwatch. Simple, elegant, and quiet, just like Grandma. And beneath it, a letter. I unfolded the paper and read her words. "My dear, I wanted you to have this. Time is a precious gift. Use it wisely. Don't spend too much of it looking down at a screen. Look up. See the world. Be with the people who love you. With all my love, Grandma." Tears ran down my face. I had wasted so much time on my phone. I thought my family would always be there. I thought I had time. But I was wrong. Now, I would never hear her voice again, never see her smile again, never say, "I love you" back, because I was too busy looking at a screen. That day, I made a decision. I put my phone down. I started spending time with my family. I started listening when they spoke. I started living in the real world. Because now, I know the truth. Phones can wait. People can't. If you're always on your phone, please listen to me. One day, someone you love will be gone. And you will wish you had talked to them more. You will wish you had looked up. You will wish you had said, "I love you." So don't wait. Put your phone down Talk to your family, because one day you won't have another chance. Have you ever missed something important because you were too focused on your phone? I'd love to hear your experiences. Share them in the comments below. If this story touched your heart or changed the way you think, don't forget to like the video and share it. Subscribe to Vivid Kids English for more. See you next time.